Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to solve a LeetCode problem and I'm going to follow the same pattern as I have followed in my earlier videos for LeetCode. Okay, so let's go. So in this video, I'm going to do question number 1470, which is tuple the array. So the question is, given the array nums consisting of two elements in the form x1, y1 till xn and y1, y2 till yn, and we have to return the array in the form of x1, y1, x2, y2 and so on. So in the question, uh, we have given an array which consists of x and y elements. Okay, so half of the array or half of the elements of array are x and half of the elements of array are y. Okay, and we have to rearrange the array in such a way that the element are basically pair of x and y. So how I'm going to solve this problem? So let's go to the whiteboard. So here we are given number of x and y1 elements x1, x2, y1, y2, and okay, yes, this much only. So here, this is the half part of the array, and this is the half part of the array. So in the half part of the array, x elements are there, and in the half part of the array, y elements are there. And we have to rearrange this array in such a way that the array should consist of pair. Like the array should consist of pair of x, y, x1, y1, x2, and y2. So how I'm going to do this? How I'm going to rearrange this array? So at first, I'm going to take a vector. I'm going to take a vector for what? For storing the result. Okay. And if you noticed here that at the like all the x elements are at the even position, like as it at the zeroth position, zeroth index, at second index. Okay, and all the y are at odd index. So I'm going to put a condition like if the number is divisible modulus 2, if the number is modulus and the remainder is 0, then it's going to store, then the number is basically x, element is x, and if not, then obviously it is the number is y, or else the number is y. So let's go. So now, uh, as I have mentioned, that I'm going to take vector and result int x. Int here, this int x, it is basically a counter. Okay, it is basically a counter. No, it's not a counter. It is the index. It is an index for x element. Okay, and now I'm going to remove nums dot size plus plus, and now I'm going to check a condition that if the I is mod I mod 2 equal to 0, if it is a even position, then I'm going to put the value of x in it there. Okay. I'm going to put a value. I'm going to put that value at position. Okay. So basically, all the x are going to be positioned at even. All the x are going to be positioned at even position, and all the y are going to position at odd position. So here, uh, now in the rest result action, that's like to push back x, and if uh, now I have to increase the value of x, push back terms of n here, and represent the basically n is the half of the array. It is basically the half of the length of the array. Okay, as you can see here, the total length of this array is 6, and this n stores 3. So half of 6 is 3. This here 8, and the half of 8 is 4, and this end stored at y. And now, as we all know that the y element is going to be start from half of the array. Okay, half, say, as I have mentioned earlier, that half of the array is consist of x elements, and half of the array is consist of y element. So half of the array. So here the n represent the half of the length of that array. And now I have to increase the value of n. Return the value. Return. Yes. I do. Correct now. I thought it is. Go to submit. As you can see, my solution is 100% correct. And yep, if you like the video, then please don't forget to like it